It's just like at least 40 grams of gold right here. Look at that. You found some coins. There's so many pennies. Look at like this.
That one's
1943.
silver.
Isn't that something you're looking for? That one was like locked. Little suitcase back there. Back on the video, as you can see behind me, we're here at a freaking storage locker, guys. It's a little bit smaller. I think it's a 10 by 10, but it's pretty full. Yeah, a bunch of boxes over here. Got some furniture, a really old fan, some wrapped up furniture. Just looking a bit promising. A bunch of boxes. That's what we like to see, right?
I spent $1,700 plus 10% buyer's premium.
So a little bit less than 2,000.
I let go of this unit because I didn't like this fan. Total chain smoker fan. Didn't pay attention, but it just looks skanky, right? You can tell the person a chain smoker. Smell it in here, right? What I don't like is, I'm going to show you, they moved a couple things around.
But nothing else looks touched at all besides like these two chairs and a vacuum. He's going to pull it up right now. You can see right here, this chair, there wasn't even a vacuum really right there. And then bam, look at these chairs stacked up now. There's a vacuum.
You know, we could be a Karen right now. We could be a Karen and say, give us our money back. There's a jewelry box. Show them the jewelry box. That's what made me not be able to bid. Oh, let go of the unit. That jewelry box right there, seal wrapped.
Look at that, guys. First box is not too crazy. It says glassware on it, so it's not promising at all, really. It just says glassware. But, oh, I don't have my knife on me. My hands are a knife, though. Look at me go. That is straight up Tupperware. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, get lucky, get $1 for that. That's pretty much it. All right, kitchen. Woo! Favorite box to open. My absolute favorite is just all these kitchenware and glassware stuff. Hey, there could be some money. Left they have some Le Creuset or just some nice. Oh, look at that.
Look at that piece of costume.
Oh my goodness. Look at that, y'all. Or we got a little colonial pocket knife. I know pocket knives do have some value depending on the brand and how old it is and stuff. So again, I was just talking like, how do you exactly touch the pearl? I don't really want to put this in my mouth, but I'll just give you guys a little recap of what the pirate found. He found a nice little jewelry box in here.
Just show one piece.
Look at this piece we found. So he thinks it's like at least 40 grams of gold right here. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Feel my chain. It's about the same, right?
Yeah?
Yeah, my chain is cost me like over $1,200 in scrap.
So bam, right there, it's almost $1,000, probably more. We're just estimating at least $1,000 in gold scrap right there. We still have a bunch more to go. We'll not know until we go. And that wasn't even in the jewelry box. Just kidding. It is not. Oh my God. Hey, yo, people go through this paper all the time. It could be money just chilling inside of here. A scratcher that wasn't fully used. Countertop island. Probably. Gotta make sure they're not like, you know, there's a thing between this. It's probably all just kind of paperwork. A lot of paperwork in here looks like, y'all. It's not really. At least we found some gold, at least so far. Okay. All right. It's not empty. We got a little baggie. What's in this bag? Those are coins. Freaking meteor. Okay. Trivia card set. Looks like there's a bunch of board games. Their board game drawer.
Yeah. Hold on a second.
Why are you touching that, Dad?
Because sometimes these are white gold. Definitely probably sterling, but that could be white gold. So I'm going to have my guy.
Why is it nasty? Stop. Ooh, okay, we got an old little photo. That's a beautiful Danbury mint bell.
Oh, that's money.
How much though?
Like 20-30 bucks. Oh.
Whoa.
Got me excited there for a second. My vision's bad. I thought that was a jewelry box.
Hey, Ralph, that was a good brand.
Oh. And like somebody found some diamonds the other day at Clutter. Remember we went to Clutter?
Yeah.
Rick went back the next day and there was a whole pile of stuff that no one wanted to take, so they abandoned it. And the person pulled out a bag of golden diamonds out of like a sock drawer.
What the heck?
Yeah.
It's like a mom sweater.
That's a Cosby right there, Michael. Do you know who Bill Cosby is?
I've never heard of him, Dad.
All right.
The whole box of, I mean, it's pretty something.
I mean, they have some decent furniture. It's just old and smelly.
Guards for men. We got some adult diapers?
Those are probably eBayable.
I mean, let's scan it. There's like 4 of me. Let's see how much these go for on eBay. 2 of them sell for 40 bucks. Yeah, I mean, 20 bucks maybe, 15 bucks right there. 15, 30, 45, 60 bucks just sitting here.
You don't know who this is?
I don't.
You have no idea who this is?
I cannot tell this is how I pictured that now.
Michael, this is Humphrey Bogart.
I was not guessing that. I don't even know who that is.
How do you not know?
I don't even know who that is.
Guys, comment below. Michael has no clue. Humphrey Bogart, signed watercolor right there.
This box is labeled clock. They had one big old clock in here. Let's see what's in here though. Let's see what the clock is. What freaking, it's a Crosa quartz clock. It looks to be broken down here maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, look at this one, like locked. Little suitcase back there. See that, guys? It's actually locked. I think it's locked too, guys. Richard Stixx. Okay, guys. Fortunately, I don't think there's anything. It's a very nice 1974 penny. It's a very shiny looking penny. This thing go up. Okay, it does go up. Very old looking, like money. Whoa, wait, that looks like a rare, like $25 bill or something. There's a bunch of just money. We're pretty much rich if you think about it. Look at this. Made bread, guys. It's freaking made bread. What is this though? Got pesos, East Caribbean currency, Central Bank of Trinidad, Bank of Jamaica. Making some bread, guys. All right. Ooh, a big old metal box. Big old, oh, there's a box under it too. Box on box on box.
Oh, that's interesting. It's trying to open already.
Oh, it is. All right. I thought I was trying to open it. Okay. Fortunately, it is already open. Is that like a some sort of booklet? Might be some money hidden in here though.
Somewhere, look at this. You notice how we haven't found a handful of these?
We find a bunch of these. They have their quarters somewhere hidden in here. Photographs. Okay. Some more paperwork.
Your host,
his daughter and son. What is this? Like a little play? Oh, some poems or something in there. A lot of like older stuff. Savory Lounge Sing-Along book. You know, do you ever think of me? Don't blame me. Whoa, this is a lot of songs in here.
I think of you all the time, man.
All right, we got a couple more things in here though. This is like a little CD thing, it looks like. Ooh, ephemera?
I'm just gonna set this aside.
That's actually making sure there's no money hidden here. There's so much paperwork. I wouldn't be surprised if there is some money hidden somewhere. This is gonna be a big photo album. Come on, please tell me there's extra pictures in the photo album. Come on. Nah. Oh yeah, okay. Deaths, Eastern Iowa, 1990. That's a little weird. That's the only picture in here. From the first glance of it, which doesn't look too crazy, you know. It's got some freaking kitchen stuff. Ooh, whoa, what's this, guys?
It's the United States Liberty coin.
Whoa. Oh. How expensive would this be? 1986. Isn't it after a certain year it's not silver?
No, but
or certain things like this are.
Copper.
Oh, 92% copper.
Okay.
So, what's in here? Oh. Hey, look at. You found some coins. There's so many pennies. Look at like this.
That one's
1943. Silver. Isn't that something you're looking for?
Shut the front door, Mike.
I'm not shutting the door.
Do you know what a 1943 copper penny is worth?
I have no idea, but look at that.
Like $1 million. There's no freaking way.
Look at that. Look at that penny, guys.
It is a 1943 copper. I swear the 1940, because the 1941. Let's just double check.
What if there's so many pennies? What if there's another one? Like there's been so many pennies in this unit, there might be another one. And we find just like a bunch of paperwork for some reason. I don't know why Richard Stixx has kept all of his paperwork in the past 20 years, but
all of it. Like it wasn't even 20. It's like goes back to like the 60s.
It is every. Whoa, what's in here? Dang. Okay. We got a nice little box in here. Is this? I know these are worth some money. Got a Sabre, little pocket knife. Camp King knives. Is this silver? Probably not.
It's cool how it's got a little wobblehead dog though, huh?
Yeah.
Wobblehead.
It's a little bobblehead.
Wobble.
You guys let me know in the comments how much those are worth. We got like a Sabre knife, Camp King. Nice looking brand. Looks like a nice little photo album. Dang, okay, this was actually old too. All the ones we've gone through like have color. This one is in black and white. Oh, whoa.
What the frick is that, dude? That is a freaking sports card.
That is a really old sports card. And we got all this jewelry here. It's not my video. You guys are gonna check out the Pirates video. He got a lot of jewelry, not just a little bit. He got a lot of native jewelry. Let's show you guys a couple pieces, just a little sneak peek. Holy crap! Check it out. Check his video out.
It's a freaking squash bottom necklace. I didn't even notice that.